In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Uppababy Hamper insert. I have the box right here. You guys, we ordered this from Amazon. It got here pretty quickly and it does have great reviews. That's why we bought it. So this is pretty much when your baby outgrows the bassinet. I'm going to show you guys how to install it and everything. But when your baby outgrows the bassinet, you're kind of like, what do you do with the stand? And one thing you could do with the stand is buy these hamper inserts, and you could actually use this stand as your hamper. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. So let me show you guys how to remove this. There is a clip all the way at the top. All you have to do is push on it, and then this pulls straight out like so. So we're going to put this off to the side, and we're going to be focusing on this box. I'm going to open up for you guys. Okay, we do have a Uppababy little pamphlet right here, and then we also have another one right here, so that is included. And we do have the bags right here. Okay, this is what they look like, you guys. It does have the Uppababy stamp over here. The material, it almost feels like a canvas mixed with cloth material, so it is pretty strong. You guys, in here, they have like the hard plastic little clips to make it easier to install, and this also makes it easier to carry. So when you do install it and have clothes in here and you guys are trying to get to the washer and dryer, all you have to do is unclip it and you just hang on to this, and it's easy to transport. Okay, so let's go ahead and put both of them on and see what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so we do have one on here. Let me show you how to install the other one. It's pretty simple with these little clips that we have here. So this, I mentioned, it's like nice plastic material. All you have to do is come around, around, and then you just slide this up like that, and it's nice in there. Do the same thing with the other side. Go up, over, and kind of push it in. And you guys, this is what it looks like. You guys could put different clothing. You guys could separate the colors from the whites, however you guys want to do it. But look, I definitely recommend getting this insert from Uppababy.